Welcome viewer, I am CTFMON.EXE. This video tutorial describes, can't type in Windows 11 search bar fixed. First method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Click File Run New Task. Check Create this task with administrator privileges, type c:/Windows/System32/CTFMON.EXE. Second method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Third method is Open File Explorer, click C Drive, Windows, System32 folder. Search with CTFMON.EXE. Copy CTFMON.EXE. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type shell colon common space, Start up, click OK. Paste CTFMON.EXE. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.